Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Display, then Navigation bar. Once done, make sure your phone is updated and you have basic security set. Some options require it. Now choose the initial mode, buttons for a visible navigation bar or gestures for edge swipes. This first decision changes the following options. You'll see previews, tap each to feel the behavior. Make that choice now so the next steps apply to the correct interface. Once mode is selected, customize specifics. If you chose buttons, tap button layout to swap back and recent positions, adjust button sensitivity, and set button color or size when available. If you chose gestures, enable gesture hints, adjust swipe sensitivity, and practice the back and home actions so muscle memory matches the phone's timing. Make sure to preview changes and test in a few apps. Some full-screen apps may hide the bar by default, so confirm behavior across contexts. Finish by exiting settings and actively testing navigation in several apps in the home screen. If the navigation bar doesn't appear or behaves oddly, restart the device, and if needed, clear the system UI cache by rebooting into recovery or using storage maintenance. If problems continue, boot in safe mode to rule out third-party apps, then reset system settings or install pending updates. These steps resolve most issues quickly. If nothing helps, consider contacting Samsung support or visiting a service center.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.